Assalamualaikum. I'm back with another unboxing video of a sort of sound system. It is Neck Soundbar G500, black in color. The package is slightly pressed, perhaps during transportation. Before opening, I want to read the statement: immersive personal sound in all freedom and comfort. It can be wirelessly attached to the tablets or VR systems. Okay, I am unboxing the box. It is more unpacked. Small instructions on page of instruction manual. Okay, I am going to open it. It has cables to charge the speaker, that also has mics to listen to the sound. Okay, again there's packing. Scissors, traditional method of opening. Wow, it is looking cool. Oh, it is very much different from the conventional speakers that we normally used by placing on our ears. My ears are free at this time and I can listen to motivational speeches while can also speak through the mics placed here. So let me elaborate the features of this thing. It has the dimensions of about 105 millimeter at this point, 140 millimeter at this point, so that they can easily be placed on your neck like this. It has four buttons on its upper side, that is M for menu button, that is used for switching between TF card, USB or Bluetooth. There's minus button that can be used to slow down the volume or to go to the previous clip. There is plus button that can be used to turn up the volume or going to the next clip. There is a sort of greater than button, or can also be said as play button, that is used to play or pause the clip or for hands-free phone call. There are some also interface on the side, as you can see. On the interface there is on-off button, aux interface for audio input. There is micro USB for charging, USB and TF card slot that can be used for sound. According to the specifications, it can be charged by the time of about 3 hours and can work for about 4 hours, and it has a working range of about 8 to 10 meters. According to the specifications or instructions, it has not to be placed under direct sunlight. Let's start it.
Enter the Bluetooth. Radio modular. Enter the Bluetooth.
So let's try to connect it to a device. So I'm going to connect it with the Bluetooth. There is G500.
Connection successful.
Okay. And now I'm going to play some song. You may have noticed that the voice is slow, but remember, this voice is for your ears, not for surroundings, because it is placed very close to your ears. And believe me, the voice is very crispy, very beautiful. أشهد أن لا one more thing, you can easily get this thing online in the price range of $15 to 50 USD. And nevertheless, I'm very happy in getting this thing. Wish me best of luck. Thank you.